it, did you? Someone, please come to my funeral. Please. No one else will show up. Anyways, today I'm skipping school. You can see why. I don't feel that bad, but my mom's making me skip anyway. It's gonna be the most useless crap I've ever filmed in my entire life. Let's get to it. Megan's being a weirdo right now. Let's go look at her. Oh! Don't bring me that. Don't mind those clips. I'm going to shrivel up and disintegrate if I don't go inside, so I should probably go now because it's so hot. Actually, it's not. It feels really nice, but you know, I'm a wimp, so. Ow! It's an annual thing. Whenever Alex brings over food, I have to vlog. What'd you say, Megan? My good is gonna be the one that Micah gets full through. Here, Max. Look, I just don't understand what you're saying. Did you see this? It's like half red. See us out there, carrying the banner, always out there, carrying the banner.
Look at me, I'm the king of New York.
Spin of New York. Hey, what are we doing today? Oh, okay. We are going shopping. Right now we're going to Tropical Ski, and we're listening to Newsies because we can't get enough of it. From Bottle Alley to the harbor, the BBB is guaranteed.
I love it. How do we make it taste fresh? Let's find out.
This is really good. We're out here, boys.
Are you vlogging, Kara?
I am. Abby just won a shirt for the raffle, and we had to wait 30 minutes for it, but wow, it's so cute. Look how cute. Someone's a little jelly. Just a little bit. Successful shopping trip. She got a shirt, she got 2 shirts, and we got friendship necklaces. I need to show them.
We did.
They're so cheesy, I love them.
Guys, we have to
It says love on it, and then it says
Oh, I love it.
BFF. You literally can't see it, and it's annoying me.
These are kind of fun, kind of fresh.
True.
Dude.
She's moving her chair forward and it's making such a weird noise. Model you new shirts. I love it. Oh, look at these boys. Look. We took a pit stop. I love food. Chicken. Chicken. Works at Chick-fil-A, so she's like judging everything.
And Lily and Abby hate me, but it's okay.
It's fine.
Weird because it's a different state.
First Chick-fil-A waffle fry. It's like heaven. Abby has a discount. We couldn't help ourselves.
Yeah.
We're here at Citigroup, and heck yeah, I like so many of these. I like that. I like that. Tip if you. I don't know what I was gonna say. Just look in the guys, okay?
Yeah. If that didn't have that, I would buy it.
Yeah, same. Look at these cute shirts.
Love these.
Ooh, I like that. A little logo right there.
This one.
So if you freaking wear khakis, every girl will fall in love with you. So wear khakis.
If you wear a checkered shirt rolled up to your elbows, that's also.
You mean button up?
No, it was a button up.
It was like checkered button.
It was checkered. No, it was definitely checkered.
It was like striped pink.
Yes. No, it was like the checkered color.
Like it was probably
It was like.
What the heck? My
Okay.
church's stuff is here, and I'm really church's merch.
Taking over the flag, boys. There's kind of some dope like dad shirts here.
Honestly,
Can I do a cool montage? This is how you edit without actually having to edit.
This says surfing something. That says I can't read, but it's cute.
What's it say? Art
Don't know.
Deco District, South Beach, Florida.
It's in a different language,
It says,
and I am dumb, and I can't.
I don't know.
And this one, I also don't know what it
It
says.
says Hawaii.
Sorry.
She picked up a bunch of shirts. She goes, I don't know what any of these say. Yes, ma'am. Oh, this is the prom dress. This is what I should have worn. I should have worn this.
What were you thinking?
What was I thinking? What?
My bank account is broken. I spent $20.
$20 for one.
That was my phone bill, and it's gone down the drain. Some Nike stuff, and it's a drug rug. Madison bought a shirt, and Abby bought a couple shirts.
Bought a shirt.
It is 4:20. Not the time, the date. Oh. Almost. It's 4:15. This is from a thrift store.
Oh, do
Goodwill.
Me.
This is also from the same Goodwill. These are actually Megan's. And these
Also,
are from Megan's friend.
Okay, now me. This shirt is from a gift from Lily from a garage sale. These shorts are Lily's that she got from Play-Doh's closet. These shoes are from my sister. These earrings from Old Navy. Hair done by me.
And me. It is done by me, you imbecile. We have arrived. There I am.
What you gonna do? Stab me?
That's Isley, and that's Eddie. Smallest flower. There's Lily, the woman behind the camera that's never seen your face.
Don't you want to fight? Just some different clothes.
Got that one on video. That's she put the sauce all over my leg. You can barely see it.
Open your nose.
The hunt has begun. I'm winning. Ooh, you see that right there? I bet you didn't, but I did. Yeah, I'm the oldest one here, I think, doing the hunt. And proud. I see one. It's kind of hard to vlog and Easter egg hunt at the same time. Oh, it's too bright.
What? I don't even have enough.
Are you V-lagging?
Mmm. Crusty.
Greetings. My name is Lillian, and I enjoy cheese a lot. This is gonna get so many views.
Not even funny, Ethan. You're not funny. Eat it, I dare you.
I won't. Oh, what? It's special. It's golden.
Mom, what'd I do?
Me. I don't. Never mind. Ew.
100% Pampers Protection.
Dang it, I hate these ads. They always make me so hungry.
There's not the rich folks thumb loaded. Uh-oh, but little does he know that his daughters, Peggy, Angelica, Eliza.
Daddy said not to go downtown.
Like I said, you're free to go.
Give me that nose.
Oh, that doesn't look good. Oh no, that isn't good. Are you okay?
You call the cops on me, and you know what? It's gonna take them about 10 or 15 minutes to get here. And you know what can happen in that amount of time?
You know what?
Oh,
You'd be dead and buried by the time you show up.
the cops are gonna take this face?
Yes.
No, you're wrong.
What is that? It's so pretty outside. I got a notebook. Bath crush. I guess you put it in your bath. We have a really big van. Look how big it is. There's a TV right there. Anyway, I got this fake plant. Really happy about it. Oh yeah, there's a TV right there and a TV right there. I got, this is like a bar. Yeah, I'm really excited for that. And the most important thing of all, scrunchies. I got this gray one, this blue one, and this flowery one. On the outside, always looking in the right. Comment below if you know where that's from. Right now, we're gonna go home first, and then I'm gonna go to my friend Libby's house. And then I'm gonna spend the night, and then I'm gonna get 6:30 to go to her friend's church for sunrise service. So then I'm gonna go to my church. If she didn't accept. Okay, I got back from church. This is what I was wearing. Oh, here's my jewelry as well. You probably don't give a heck, but Now we celebrate Easter with my mom's side of the family. Anyways, happy Easter. He is risen. That's the new dog.
I made $30 at school.
His name is Frank.
Good mom.
Wow, Caitlin, quick. Hey, buddy.
And it's not you.
Angelica. Eliza. And Peggy. The Skylar sisters, Angelica.
Yeah, Caitlin.
Eliza. They don't know it. They don't know it good enough. Bunch of crappy adults. Aww. See what I got in my Easter basket. Organic gummy bears, organic nail polish, reusable straws, save the turtles, and of course, you know, candy and all that. So, also $7. Yeah, and I will be going to Oklahoma this weekend, so I should vlog that. That'll probably be a second vlog. Okay, bye!